K2 is keeping an eye on some new neighbors walking by, and we are here on Tampa Bay on Black Friday, I guess the Friday after Thanksgiving. Gorgeous day, absolutely beautiful but cold. It's like 50 right now, but windy, and feels like Chicago. But oh no, not again. Like that song, there was a sailboat that was abandoned here for a long time, which finally was moved, but seems like somebody else had an issue, so hopefully they can salvage or recover their sailboat soon. And otherwise, spectacular, stunning day with even like the birds taking a chill, and so is